Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Current George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We have mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front, with blind spot detection, STX logo with some lime green accents, mud flaps on the front with a nice black hood deflector, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with the lime green accents, plenty of door space in the back, carpeted interior with floor mats. You also get cloth floor mats if need be. Storage right here, 12-volt, and outlets with rear vents. And of course, you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop start, lights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 8.7 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage cup holders. You even get storage underneath. Got some outlets right there. Vinyl wrap center console with even more storage. You have your dry modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive. We have coin slots here, your climate control. You have a 12-volt and more outlets. Got storage here with the F-150 logo, storage below, and storage above. We have our volume tune, all that jazz, media. Clicking here, we do have our backup camera, hazards, and traction. Looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, and your classic Bluetooth. And continuing our look, we have our phone settings, your fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or any apps you have downloaded. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35570, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.